Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P51 Mustang Redtail is a high-performance remote control warbird designed for adult hobbyists and aviation enthusiasts. This model replicates the iconic World War II P51 Mustang Redtail, honoring the legendary Tuskegee Airmen. With a 66.9-inch, 1,700 mm wingspan, it offers a commanding presence in the air and detailed scale realism on the ground. This 6-channel, 6CH RC airplane comes in a PNP, plug-and-play, configuration, which means it includes the motor, ESC, servos, and retracts pre-installed, but does not include the transmitter, receiver, battery, or charger. It requires additional equipment to be flight-ready, making it ideal for experienced pilots who already have a compatible radio system. The plane features functional flaps and electric retractable landing gear with shock-absorbing struts, allowing for smoother takeoffs and landings. LED navigation lights add to its realism and aid visibility during low-light conditions. The airframe is constructed from durable EPO foam, balancing strength and lightweight performance for agile flight characteristics and easy repairs. Thanks to its powerful brushless motor and 4-blade propeller, the FMS P51 delivers strong thrust and realistic flight dynamics. Pilots can expect stable, scale-like cruising and high-speed passes, with the ability to perform aerobatic maneuvers. The large size enhances visibility and handling in windy conditions. Overall, this RC plane is ideal for intermediate to advanced pilots seeking a scale warbird with excellent craftsmanship, flight performance, and customization potential. Its size, features, and historical appeal make it a standout addition to any RC aircraft collection. Just keep in mind that a separate radio setup and battery system are required to complete the build. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub RC Plane is a beginner-friendly 4-channel remote control trainer airplane designed for newcomers, kids, and casual adult flyers. With a compact 500 mm wingspan, this aircraft is portable and easy to transport, making it perfect for flying in parks, fields, or open spaces. This model comes in a ready-to-fly RTF package, meaning everything needed to get airborne radio transmitter, battery, and charger is included in the box. Its lightweight EPP foam construction ensures durability while allowing the plane to absorb minor crashes, an essential feature for beginners. The plane is equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, providing excellent in-flight stability and self-leveling assistance. This makes it significantly easier to control, especially for first-time pilots. Additionally, it features 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert. These allow users to gradually improve their flying skills by increasing control responsiveness as they gain confidence. One standout feature is the prop saver design, which helps protect the propeller during hard landings or crashes. This reduces damage and extends the life of the prop, making it more cost-effective and beginner-friendly. The 4-channel control system includes throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron functions, allowing for full directional movement and basic aerobatics once the user is ready. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub offers about 15 minutes of flight time per charge, depending on usage. Charging is simple via the included USB charger. The plane's bright red color scheme enhances visibility in the sky, helping pilots maintain orientation. Overall, the Sport Cub is an excellent entry-level RC plane that balances ease of use, flight stability, and durability. It's ideal for beginners looking to learn to fly with confidence and gradually grow into more advanced flying skills. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, EFL 15250, is a versatile, high-performance remote control aircraft designed for intermediate to advanced pilots seeking fun and capable STOL, short takeoff and landing, performance. Manufactured by E-Flite, this bind and fly, BNF, basic version comes pre-equipped with a motor, ESC, servos, and an integrated receiver featuring AS3X and Safe Select stabilization technologies, but requires a separate Spectrum-compatible transmitter, LiPo battery, and charger to fly. With a 1.5-meter, 59-inch wingspan, the Turbo Timber strikes a great balance between size and portability. It is built from lightweight yet durable EPO foam and features functional flaps, oversized tundra-style wheels, and included floats, making it capable of taking off and landing on grass, gravel, dirt, snow, or even water, an all-terrain performer. The AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis, technology helps smooth out wind and turbulence for more stable flight, while Safe Select adds an optional self-leveling mode for added confidence during takeoffs, landings, and emergency recovery, perfect for pilots moving up from beginner planes. Powered by a powerful brushless motor and a 3-blade propeller, the Turbo Timber offers impressive thrust and aerobatic capabilities, including loops, rolls, and even inverted flight. It also supports STOL flying with the help of its large flaps and high-lift wing design, enabling takeoffs in just a few feet of space. LED navigation lights on the wingtips and fuselage add visibility and realism, especially in low-light flying conditions. Assembly is quick and tool-free thanks to a bolt-together design. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is a highly adaptable and rugged RC plane suitable for pilots who want to explore advanced flying techniques, multiple environments, including water, and enjoy the convenience of smart stabilization features. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Airplane is a beginner-friendly, ultra-lightweight remote control glider designed for kids, teens, and first-time adult pilots. This 2-channel RC aircraft uses a simple, intuitive control system managing throttle and turning, making it an ideal entry point into the RC flying hobby for younger users and newcomers with no prior experience. Built with durable EPP foam, the FX803 is impact-resistant and can withstand minor crashes, which is essential for learning pilots. Its glider-style design promotes stability and smooth flight, while the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer automatically corrects for wind and imbalance, helping to maintain level flight and making takeoffs and landings much easier. The FX803 uses 2.4 GHz radio control technology, providing reliable signal strength and reduced interference with other nearby devices. It offers a control range of approximately 100 meters, giving ample space for learning in parks or open areas. Flight times average around 10 to 15 minutes per charge, depending on conditions and usage, and recharging is simple with the included USB charger. Weighing very little and requiring no assembly, this aircraft is ready to fly, RTF, out of the box. Just charge the battery, install it, and it's ready for action. Its small size and twin-motor pusher configuration enhance its safety, especially for younger users. Though it's limited in maneuverability due to the 2-channel system, lacking full elevator or rudder control, the FX803 prioritizes ease of use and flight stability over advanced tricks. It's best suited for calm weather conditions. In summary, the Makerfire FX803 is a solid choice for beginners, especially kids or adults seeking an inexpensive and forgiving way to learn the basics of RC flight. With its strong stabilization, tough build, and simple operation, it offers a gentle and fun introduction to flying RC planes. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-oriented RC airplane designed for both kids and adults who are new to flying. Its key selling point is ease of control, thanks to a combination of stabilization technology and 3 selectable flight modes that allow pilots to gradually progress in skill level. This makes it a great choice for first-time flyers or casual hobbyists. The aircraft features 1 key U-turn functionality, making it easy to recover orientation during flight, especially helpful for beginners who may lose track of direction. The three flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, provide different levels of stability and responsiveness. In beginner mode, the aircraft has significant stabilization support, while in expert mode, more manual control is given to the pilot for executing sharper turns in basic aerobatics. Constructed from lightweight EPP foam, the Leambe RC plane is highly durable and impact-resistant, allowing it to survive minor crashes without damage. This adds to its appeal for children or anyone learning to fly. The foam build also helps it glide smoothly and maintain longer flight times. The plane operates on a 2.4 GHz radio system, ensuring stable control and less signal interference, with a control range suitable for flying in backyards, parks, or open fields. The included rechargeable battery allows for 10 to 15 minutes of flight per charge, and the package typically comes in a ready-to-fly (RTF) configuration, meaning it includes the transmitter, battery, and charger. No extra purchases needed to get started. Overall, the Leambe RC plane is a smart, user-friendly choice for entry-level pilots. Its combination of stabilization features, easy flight recovery, and progressive control modes offers a safe and enjoyable flying experience, making it an excellent gift or first RC plane for both children and adults alike.